Yeah, this is Mike with Mike's Accessories with the 2012 Arctic Cat 1000 Wildcat Skull Crusher project. The nicest UTV ever built all over the whole world, and maybe one of the nicer products ever built. They doing a video of the Bondoing all of the custom fiberglass interior pieces. Get ready to do a little bit more sanding down to them and everything, and then they'll be ready for priming and paint. And we got to thank Randy Clapp at Exalta. If you're not super familiar with Exalta, they bought out the DuPont paint line, the DuPont and the Nason line. Now it's all Exalta. Like I said, we thank Randy Clapp for working with us on some green and black paint to be able to paint the custom interior pieces of the Skull Crusher project, and pretty much painting a lot of the interior of the project. We're pretty much painting everything in the interior, either black or green. We're going to do some flames on the custom floorboards that was built, but I'm going to have these pads done in a couple of days, like a black material, and see the plexiglass over it, and there's a skeleton that goes in there with the eyes that move up and down to a joystick or to like a transmitter, which is a part, could be a part of the Skull Crusher project, which is high-tech RCD. Here's the other seat, and then the headliner. Headliner turned out very nice. Gary, like I said, do a little bit more sanding on it, and it'll be ready for priming and paint. The door panels. The door panels are very close to. Just do a little bit more sanding, and they'll be ready for priming and paint. And this is a skull right here, and it's got the eyes that blinked to words and the mouth that moves up and down to words too. And then we got the other door panel right there. That's actually one with the skull on it, and the eyes will blink and the mouth will move up and down to words. Here is the actual skeletons that sit down into the seats. And we also got to thank Tim Dorfler at U.S. Chemical for working with us on the Bondo and fiberglass resin and a bunch of just different supplies. Duraglass, ProGlass, and a lot of just other little like supply, like sandpaper, abrasives, and like I said, get with U.S. Chemical on those kind of products. We thank Tim at U.S. Chemical for helping the Skull Crusher project with those products. And here's the console, and then the arms that go right here that have monitors on them, and they're 5.8-inch Alpine monitors. Be one there and one there. And we got switches here. Here's going to be the air ride switches right here for the air ride. And then we got the PlayStation 4 controller charging dock right here. I'm fixing to sand this console down and get it really slick, and then we can get ready to go to paint. And then